How to share Google Drive files and folders. Open the Google Chrome. Click on the search bar. Type in drive.google.com. Press enter. Once you do that, Google Drive will be opened. Go to the destination of your choice. Find the folder or files that you would like to share. If you would like to share the folder, what you have to do is click on the three dots right next to the folder that you want to share. Once you do that, click on the option for share. You can find the option for share and copy link. You can click on the option copy link and paste the link wherever you want to share this folder. Or you can also click on this option for share. Once you do that, you'll be able to share the folder. Click on this option for add people, groups, spaces and calendar events. Enter the email address of the person that you would like to share the folder with. Once you do that, you can also enter the message over here. Click on the field of message and enter the message. Likewise, you can also edit the axis. Click on the axis that is selected right now. You can find the option for viewer, commenter, editor. Click on the option of your choice. Click on the option send. Once you do that, the folder will be shared with the person that you enter the email of. Likewise, you can also share the files if you want. The process is same. So like this, you'll be able to share Google Drive files and folder. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.